Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT, on top of the senior brother of all the television when they inside the world. Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this, now the Ogbonge politics discussion show when they discuss every topic as they come on smoke. So that you self go chook mouth for inside the matter. And those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. Ezugwu Chukwudi and Nkubi and Alhaji Lai Mohammed, the national talk person of the All Progressives Congress, they inside house and they discuss questions, and more questions. Alhaji, you know that you now, the way we just answer our questions, the thing, it make me happy because so many questions when they don't send us tired. They even get one time when they call, even they tell us say it be like say we they hide you or we they fear, we no one ask you. And I dey very happy so our viewers they see as the questions they come from left, right, front, back, and center. Before we go the break, you been they talk about say we score big for this visit.
We score big.
We go allow you just finish them again.
You know the area of security, because that's one I think with the trouble Nigeria, all this Boko Haram, and God, it will help us make defeat them.
Amen.
You see, America agree. Say, they go support us. They go use the Lake Chad Basin Commission. You know, Lake Chad Basin Commission be all country will be around Lake Chad.
Exactly.
That's Nigeria, Niger, Cameroon, and Chad.
Exactly.
So, and for end of this month, today or next week, then go launch the multinational task force. And after that time, Boko Haram, they go feel the heat
They go run now.
Then go run. Two, be say, then help us say, then go train our soldiers. Some people no understand this you know, there's one law what they call Patrick Lee.
Senator Patrick Lee.
They say when we go America, Buhari, he no get, he no bring anything come. They think say if they come, they go put a bomb and ammunition for inside
plane.
And they come. No, they don't do that way. Once they agree, say they go help us. Then the experts for America, expert for Nigeria, they go sit down.
Very true.
Work them out.
Very true.
We say this particularly thing, we say America get law. We say if any troop, any foreign troop, they are inside where making you kill enemy, they kill civilian. Or if they harass woman or harass Pekin, that troop, they no go allow make it come train for America. They go put them for black book.
Very true.
Now, okay. But it not be all troop for Nigeria where stay inside that black book.
Exactly.
Even many of our troops today don't qualify for training and weapon for America. Some people will say, we no go get weapon. We go get weapon for America. But those troops, where they say they their black book,
yes.
they no go weapon until we fish them out, punch them.
Very true.
We
emphasize.
Okay.
Say it's very, very important.
Yes.
They talk all these things because a lot of people
say, they say America no go sell us.
Now why I want to emphasize on that point.
No, I even want to bring question because look also look in the last government where America will come at some point because they won't come help us. But somehow no can know the result of the help. Okay, we'll bring a come from this angle. Okay, America don't come now. Don't talk say they won't help us. Okay, the people come there and say look, okay, they come before we no see result. Even before the past government come up from power entirely, we see results. Like under that series 6 extension, we see somehow, we see small result of, say they fight these Jaguda people, Boko Haram. They fight them, even nearly clean them up, come up from this thing, from the country. But then, people going to ask, wait till make this government just enter? No continue from where that past government stop. Since they don't say yes, they don't fight this fight reach somewhere. Therefore, even continue from that place. Make sure say they extend that security. Make sure say they fight. They continue that trend of how the past government fight those people, fight them, come out. This is why we say, just like say this government come, just come relax. One issue or the other can't take over their mindset. They no focus on.
You feel sleep, put fire for your roof. Which government relax? We no relax so. They fight them. So you know what I said before? These people they get empire. Where they appoint emir, they appoint governor. They don't force them come out.
They don't pursue them.
Before Sambisa Forest, don't be that day. Sambisa forest now, if you go there and come back, nothing will happen to you. So this government no sleep. The thing be say, when you dey fight Boko Haram not only be Nigeria then they don't link up with ICIS. Those one they even worse past Boko Haram. But despite all that, they don't flush them out. The thing what it mean be say now, because they pursue them, they run. So when they see small chance, they go do suicide bomber. Make you wait till next month.
Very true.
When we start pumping them. And then they normally say, we don't change all army chief. The people they get now, no be
those ones, okay.
Because then Sabi, this work very well. I don't say the one way go no Sabi, then Sabi their time don't pass. That's all.
Alhaji, make we just break everything down. The visit when we say Oga Presido carry go meet Barack Obama on special invitation.
It remain. When we get that visit, for that visit too, then offer Nigeria membership of 2 Ogbonge, club.
When we say no be anybody, if you just become member.
The one
exclusive membership.
The one, we say they call them say partnership for open government.
Partnership for open government.
Only few countries they member. The second be partnership against illicit trafficking. Which means if you think you can steal Nigerian money, go hide them somewhere, they'll go track them.
It will no longer be possible.
So then the president, he meet all Nigeria where they America. He talk to them.
And they believe in that.
They are happy.
Alhaji, we go one question.
No, we go. Okay, if na question, we ask.
Alhaji, wait. Make we also carry this matter go from one under different angle. Because you get this trending video where they out. One trending video where they out, where people come they look. That a lot of people come there and say, why our Presido will come and come make this kind of statement? And the video, they ask Oga Presido one question for America.
The Institute of Peace.
Exactly. They ask him a question. So and the question can be say, the woman will ask him the question, can't ask him the question. So, but bear him know to understand and will be the person way relate to him, not to relate him well. But the response we come hear from Oga Presido, the response can they make people come they fear say, hey, Oga Presido, why you go come and come talk this? And what be the response? Say he no go treat everybody the same. Say people will vote for him. Just like say people will vote for him.
Based on the percentage of votes.
Now so you go take treat them. But make also emphasize the fact say people they talk say look, as long as he be president of Nigeria, make it go round. What you get to talk about this statement where Oga Mohammed? You notice say they somehow.
Say na voice over when somebody do. I been a real voice. Because we need to know.
Make I assure you here. Say when then they distribute the goody for this government, everybody could get. Whether you vote for him or not vote for him. And it's said before. He said he be president of those who voted for him, those who did not vote at all, those who voted against him. Make you wait. You see, how many appointments they don't make yet? Only small.
Just 2 months.
This man go make more than 2,000, 3,000 appointments. And no part of the country they go leave behind.
Make we just leave them for, I belong to everybody.
And nobody owes me.
Make we leave them there.
Yes.
And make we come carry and go the next level.
Yes.
Your brother again. Your brother, you thought say na your brother.
My brother.
He don't issue one statement when we say the thing they make people they worry. We know say the Independent National Electoral Commission, their job now to do referee for election, make we feel elect people when we say we want. But the gist when they come out now be say the woman when they there now, Amina Bala Zakari, then talk say na daughter of President Muhammad Buhari. Even though me I be son of President Muhammad Buhari, but I know be INEC chairman. And if the daughter in quote of our president, I sit down for there. She no go affair. You get anything to answer?
Number one, he no be in daughter.
She come from Chigawa, he come from Katsina.
So how they relate?
But Olisa Metuh na Igbo, you na Yoruba, but you say your brother.
No. Two, be say, when you look at Zakari, the question where they ask them, they say, who appoints Zakari for INEC?
True.
Chena Buhari. We meet him there.
And she don't grow. She don't grow.
Jonathan appoint him for INEC. We meet her there. She be the most senior. And we never get time yet. Make we appoint substance. We say, okay, you the most senior, make you the act. All the thing where then they say, if for old water, if say, now we
true.
So all this that now you see when a poor worker, he go blame in tools. That's the thing. They are afraid. Look, Zakari, we met him there. No be 4 years, not 5 years. Where they INEC?
True.
So we think we are all inside. You now say it be president daughter. So the other time, go no say na president daughter go appoint am. Make you forget that one.
That one don't go. Make we enter this next one. If Amina Bala Zakari no be Oga Presido daughter and she don't do INEC since, make we come talk about this other one too. Oga Lawal Daura, when they DSS, the senior man for there now, we see picture when we say in day with President Muhammadu Buhari and some other people. We see another one we say in the shaking hand based on saying don't win the election. Then we can't see one newspaper advertorial when people they congratulate and in name they there. They talk say how person when we say he did DSS when suppose they non-partisan come follow for the Directorate of Security for the presidential campaign team and at the end as Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari come win the election he come appoint them. This one and Zakari on they different too. I don't know how you go to answer the question.
Waiting they talk. So Absalami, no go shake one. So if be member of APC.
No.
Listen, if you want say somebody be member of APC, show me in card.
Okay, true.
Or go bring register. Say in name they here for Ward 1, Apapa local government. I see in name. But say he serve for election committee. So what? Many people volunteer for election.
But DSS person suppose they volunteer to serve.
DSS he retire, he no retire. The man where don't retire.
Okay.
He retired 2011. When you don't come out work. So why you not fit volunteer? Now wait till we say that Michael Kiro,
former Inspector General of Police,
he was chairman of PDP election security committee for 2011.
He himself don't retire now.
They make him chairman, police service commission. Nobody talks.
But Alhaji, what the reason why people they add this one because of say DSS na a very sensitive
organization.
Police don't sensitive.
And because of say they don't see pictures of the Oga Daura, they shake hands with some top APC people. Now make people they say sure say this no go to talk they favor this.
Listen, I ask you a question. You ask you no answer. Police, sensitive.
Police, they're very sensitive.
Do you know what chairman of a police service committee they do? Now them they promote, they discipline, they retire. Police. Now then they post. What are you talking about? What if you say for me, the fact say person sabi president. As long as that person sabi in work and is out of office, you go abuse them. And this is not the first time people were in the world where people will be close to president that they get appointment. And make I ask PDP. Now from PDP will come to take a director, a DG, SSS, or now any will go take. But me, my position be simple. One, no law will say because I shall be president, I don't feel take office. No law.
At all.
Two, be say this man, get card. Of our party, thirdly, and I know the apple of the word that you go look for person where get qualification, where you trust.
Trust, then even the
competence, trust. And part of trust and competence be say the man, go do this. The one way Metuh they shout for rivers. If it's like you beat somebody, you start crying. Now PDP will refuse to obey court order. That for tribunal. APC Rivers now write letter to police, write to SSS. And if you go to Wikipedia and look at the duties and power of SSS, they get power to compel anybody when you obey court order. They get power to say, why they obey court order? No, they do.
Very true.
And they make noise. Now, make I ask you again. For 2015, Michael Mary, maybe they served for, he was a DG, National Orientation Agency. Maybe he did a campaign committee of Jonathan. But that one, other one, nobody they say, this Lawal Daura, he no be member.
No, they carry card.
No, they carry card.
Two, we say the time when you come volunteer work for us, so you don't retire for more than 5 years from ago. So what is the nonsense they are talking about?
Very true. Alhaji, you don't address these issues, and these issues, they're very, very pressing and important. But then again, make we go back to the visit of President Muhammadu Buhari to US. Now, good luck Ebele Jonathan said for 2010 in visit. And a lot of people be talking and say, this visit will not visit, since also to when go happen, but if we fast forward down till this period, it can't be like say somehow nothing happen. Alhaji, the question when I go ask you, say, share at the end of the day, this one not go be like the same kind of visit, because as we talk about American people, nothing goes for nothing.
Look, then say as night you go be now for morning you go see her.
True.
You know, she say as soon as the President Buhari come back from America, the first thing he do, he go Cameroon.
Yes.
Because that's part of the thing where they promise him.
Yes, true.
Say we go use the Lake Chad Basin Commission as the conduit, as pipe for help Boko Haram. That's the first thing we do. Two, quietly, you can see in Nigeria they change.
Underground.
Our refinery in Warri and Port Harcourt, they are now, they reach 60% capacity now.
But the turnaround maintenance start for
let's say, now let us say the maintenance thing start from the other this thing.
Why they no finish them for that time?
Like
you see, listen, as they hear argument, they say, the NEPA will improve. Now we do the work. Why you know the work during your own time? Let me tell you something. Say, once you see a man, the leader, who's straightforward, honest, no they take bribe, everybody go sit up.
Alhaji, we will still need to at least allow you go relax, go cool off small, drink water, because we need to do it. We need to go for this other quick break. So at once we enter into the final lap for you to also sum up all your talk to Nigerians, make we move forward. Make we go for this break with the come.
Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195, and we get Ogbonge August visitor. This last day in the month of July, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, the talk person of the All Progressives Congress. We don't sit down with them, answer so many questions as regards all the things where we say, when I don't they send us come since President Muhammadu Buhari taking oath of office and oath of allegiance. One of the major ones are the visit to the United States of America. It's very, very important, sake of say, now President Obama now use his own hand, invite and come. Use his own mouth, call a man of integrity, and come promise, say, yes, so as we do now to move our country forward. Alhaji, we go still go back, maybe we still revisit that issue of Oga Lawal Daura again and again. And we know, say, he said that say you they carry the card of a political party, or you they lean towards maybe the ideology of a particular political party. APC as a party talk say their own and change from some kind of things when they talk say no good for Nigeria, they won't bring good thing come. If me believe say okay, oh, this country not to become, and they always they talk and say if you know say me I use height resemble President Muhammadu Buhari.
But that one don't mean say use character, use resemble, because me I know you.
No, Alhaji, you see, you know,
I know you very well.
Don't know me. Alhaji,
height has no factor in this issue. No believe it all.
How you take no?
You both resemble him.
Thank you very much.
Character resemble him.
No.
Thank you.
Alhaji, na character na be the real one.
Now we take character resemble, I take height resemble.
Okay.
Na two, I use height and character.
You get two, you get one.
I get two, you get one. Alhaji, thank you very much. For my own two land,
ask your question.
Alhaji, I'm happy say you come here today because for the first time, I should say people when they are the one that say, Nkubi no attack Chukwudi today because I'm a man of truth. Now, I didn't on all this show they speak for the ordinary Nigerians.
The same way Nkubi they talk the truth to the ordinary Nigerians and they hear us right now.
But I mean they'll talk the truth first.
I have the bigger truth. Oga Lai Mohammed go fear attest to that. Say yes, me.
You both talk true.
You don't settle and so right. Ask your question.
I like that look Nkubi. Somehow from this angle, he resemble that your brother when you talk. Say that your brother when you talk.
But na good man too.
I know say na good man. But somehow.
Now where he find himself. But you see, and I want him. I say this opposition thing. It no be small thing.
Oh no, opposition no easy.
I know easy.
Even me when I sit down to this seat, I know say
no easy.
It's not easy at all.
But God go help him.
God go help him. So make we come discuss the issue again.
You know the issue be say. They won't make trouble where Alaba no day. The man, he was in SSS before. He retired. So when he retired, did he stop being Nigerian? He didn't stop being Nigerian. He retired. He look at Nigeria. Say, the way this Nigeria they go, he bad. I go help make this Nigeria make
the way when I feel do my own.
They say I go help this man.
True.
This man, an honest man. True. You do in small one. And the president say, I know you. You did service for 31 years. You no get one single query.
At all.
At all. I go make you director of SSS. Because you no be outsider. You be insider. True. You did there 31. You rise to take now only one position with me before you go. You now come and say, because the president is a big president, because you work for election committee. Is that why? So if you're picking in good, and you work here, your picking come do exam, he pass, then go say because he be your picking, no go enter.
Very true.
And make I give you example. Okay. United States of America, we say we follow. Leon Panetta was member House of Rep, Democrat. In I think it would be about 1997 or so. He became director of CIA in 2006.
Very big position, oh.
There's one what they call Goss. He was not Republican. He was member House of Rep too. Time come, he also become director of FBI.
So, we don't talk, we don't ask so many questions. We don't take any call today. Make you not be like, say, our people will call the vex, say, we call the Alhaji.
Me too, they wait for the questions.
So quickly, even if I ought to, we go just take them quickly, because I know there's so many people go there the phone line, maybe they don't call the vex, say, we heard Alhaji, we don't allow them talk their own mind too. You just give us example of people when we say, for America, where every country they look up to.
Yes.
Republican, Democrats. After then they house finish, they can occupy position when we say, we will consider saying a very sensitive
CIA, yes.
And this one at to show say, you go carry person when they qualified.
Competence, but trust.
Competence before any other thing.
Yes. See, the thing is, the same momentum where I believe, say, Oga Muhammad Buhari take appoint the new service chiefs. We say, you don't even know from anywhere. And they don't also look their qualification, look their ability, look this thing. Now, the same momentum, I believe, say, take appoint Oga Daura. So
absolutely.
Absolutely. And he's going to work. You know that, don't you?
By the grace of God, he's going to work. Because if he work and everything, they okay for our country, all of us go, they move forward. They go. So, Alhaji, I don't want to put you on top of the spot of a hot seat. But if I just ask you, say, okay, after this visit now, this 4-day special visit, when we say our president carry go, we don't already begin the see result, because those of us, when we say they watch, don't see, Cameroon self don't show commitment. So many other countries of the world don't begin to talk, say, we need to nip, I go speak English, nip this thing in the bud. Make I come ask you one question now. In 6 months or in 1 year, if you go still come back, because our papa, you go always they come now. If you go come back on all this show, I will come ask you the same question, say, this visit when President Muhammadu Buhari go visit, so on a scale of maybe make I talk, say 1 to 10, which score you go give and say, yes, you dey confident. Say based on the small ones hold on the see now, he go don't score by that time.
Believe me, if I come back at 6 months or 1 year, you no go ask that question. Because you go see him yourself for Koro.
Alhaji, the way they answer questions.
No,
the way Alhaji they answer questions.
There's no point.
You don't answer questions.
See, the point is.
No, I'm confident.
No, don't tell me the point. Are you the now you be Alhaji.
Okay, hold on.
I don't like asking the answer question. Why you go answer Alhaji question? Now you be Alhaji.
Lucky, when you say yes, Luck don't already enter into the system. They call us. Lucky, they call us from Wari. Good morning, Lucky.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Lucky from Wari.
Good morning, Okubi.
Good morning, Oga Lucky.
Welcome, Oga Lai.
How are you, my brother?
Fine, thank you. The thing is that we could not deceive ourselves. Chukwudi.
I dey hear you.
Oga Buhari go America. Let us forget these American people. The problem they with us here. The problem they with us here. We get so many people. People there. Civilian measures, they're full everywhere. To fight those kind our Ogbonge people. Then secondly, this question of party, religion, and so on. Now they spoil this nation. We should tell our Baba Buhari. He never to tell when all the people were there for Bayelsa, half of the people were there PDP. They run come out. Where they run go? Now APC. Why should APC?
Oga Lucky, thank you very, very much.
Lucky,
you don't emphasize on
yes.
You ask the question, you answer them, and we go stop am for I belong to everybody. I am for nobody. Alhaji Lai Mohammed, you know say time they always they run. But we go thank you, say you make out time, you come early, sit down, wait until we start the show by 10 o'clock. For making out time out of your busy schedule to come here. We thank you very much. We'll go shake your hand again.
Thank you very much. The pleasure is mine.
At least as a regular guest on our program, we know center we will extend the invitation.
Anytime where I dey Lagos, I go
yes.
come.
Most definitely. You don't talk and you don't do them. Our people when they for us, they say Nigeria and our country, you know go spoil. Make all of us join our hands together to move our country forward. Until we come back again on Monday. Una bye-bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.